Hello everybody, Tahoe Yak Fisher here. We are in the water. It's a little breezy and it's really cold. 42 degrees is what the water temperature is, actually about 44 degrees. I have a line in the water. I'm doing some top line trolling with a Countdown Rapala, but mostly I'm just kind of getting to know the new boat. So far it's working really well. Figuring out the fish finder is going to be a big part of it. I had a Lowrance. This is a Garmin. The Garmin has a voltmeter, which is kind of useful for the battery. I haven't done the finish up video on the motor project, and we're going to do that, but obviously I have a battery in here. You know, the standard trolling motor batteries come in two different sizes, 24 and 27. Group 24 and Group 27. So I kind of built this around fitting a Group 27, the larger of the two. And it's under the bow hatch right there. It fits very well. And I did get a lithium battery, but we're going to do a video where I'm going to talk about the finishing up of the kayak, and I'm going to show you guys that stuff. So right now, we are just cruising around. I'm moving it 1.5 miles an hour. Top speed appears to be a little over 4 miles an hour. And then there's one. It's louder than my old kayak. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this, but I'm going to go full speed for a second. Oh, you can't hear it. The motor is a little louder than my old kayak motor was. But that's coming off of a 3-pound thrust, 30-pound thrust, that would only move the kayak at like 3 miles an hour. Here comes that breeze. We have a storm coming in. And honestly, I shouldn't even be out here because I also forgot my life jacket. But this boat is 38 or 39 inches wide, so it's pretty stable. And I'm staying close to shore. Not that that matters in 42 degree water, 43.78 degrees right here. If I fell in, I'd be done for. I would be hypothermic. Even if I got back in the boat, I would be hypothermic by the time I got to shore. So you gotta have your life jacket with you at least. So enough about ranting on myself. The steering seems to work really well. The whole boat, I mean, it's turning slow because I'm moving slow and because I'm going right into the wind. I didn't bring enough clothes, and I went back and got some more clothes, and I ran it at full speed for a while, and the PWM got warm, but at the same time, I don't know, we'll see. If the PWM is the part that I'm a little bit concerned about. It seems to be working great right now, but it's like 40-something degrees air temperature as well. Low 40s. I'm only in 45 feet of water. Again, I'm top line trolling. And just because I haven't used this fish finder, I have the little fish marker indicator on, the fish alarm. So it's supposed to give me a little, just to make sure I know what I'm seeing. And I haven't seen any fish yet. But that's not uncommon for Lake Tahoe. But we are in the water. You can see my transducer cable is still riding top deck. I've got the fish finder wired to the battery, the motor battery, the house battery, and I'll show you guys all that. But I don't have the little clamshell device I'm going to use to pass the cable through the hole back here. And that's coming. Should be here in another week or so. It was coming from Connecticut, and it is in the mail. But that's literally how far we are away from this project being finished and being ready to fish a lot. Well, weather permitting. The storm coming, this all may be coming to an end. We have had quite a run of really good weather. But of course, I haven't been fishing. I've been trying to put this boat together. So, here we are. I'm on the water. I'm on the water in the new kayak. So far, I like it. You're sitting up a lot higher, which means you're exposed. So, I think I'm going to have to be wearing a little bit warmer clothes. I think that's kind of a bummer in a colder environment. I have to say there's a lot of things about my old kayak I do miss, but that's always the case. I mean, I missed the kayak before that too. We have to move forward. I have to learn how this kayak works and what I like about it, and work on the things I don't like about it, right? Because here it is, it's mine. There's no looking back, right? So, obviously it's too windy, and I'm too kind of new to this whole system to do much statistical analyzation. I'm not going to see how fast it goes. I'm not going to see how far it goes. I'm just out cruising around as long as I can before I get too cold and gotta call it. So, thought I'd make a quick little on-water video. We're getting there. It's gonna happen. And we're gonna start putting fish in the boat. So, thanks very much for watching. Tight lines, Yak Fisher out.